fresh curry leaves, alongside staples like turmeric and chili, are fundamental to traditional Indian cooking.
This traditional sambar is a powerhouse of nutrition thanks to ingredients like lentils, drumsticks, and the antioxidant-rich curry leaves.
Benefit 1. Digestive health. Enhanced enzyme production. Curry leaves contain alkaloids that stimulate digestion.
Benefit 2. Blood sugar regulation. Natural alkaloid compounds. Regular consumption helps reduce blood glucose.
Benefit 4. Hair health and pigmentation. Natural copper content. Stimulates melanin production, preventing
Curry leaves show superior antioxidant levels. Now, let's explore the practical uses and preparation methods for these versatile herbs.
Daily consumption of 8 to 10 fresh leaves or 1 teaspoon of dried leaves provides optimal health benefits.
Topical uses: acne treatment, wound healing, skin irritation relief. Apply as paste directly to affected areas.
Scientific research. Methenamine, carbazole alkaloids, and coumarins are primary bioactive compounds.
Pregnant women should consult doctors. Potential interactions with blood thinners. Allergic reactions, which are rare. Store in a cool, dry place.
Or the vegetables, sweetie.
They're really good, Dad.
Make sure you eat all your leaves for the health benefits.